Hiya! Now today we are making a noseband for a bridle. Now I know it's so simple, it's literally one line of stitches, but it's something that's going to be very helpful for a friend, I don't know, a family member that is interested in horses, and so simple for us to make. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you ever so much for watching. Hello there, I just literally wanted to do a quick video today on nosebands for horses. Now, you used to see them all the time on racehorses, you still do I suppose. They're a great way to get the horse to concentrate, and they're a really handy thing to have at the yard. So if you've got a friend who's got a horse and you've got a sewing machine, well, you know, they would be really grateful. So although it's a noseband, it's vitally important if you've got a young horse or something and you're loading it for the first time, and then you can just put a noseband over the top of their heads so that if they get into difficulty, then they don't really injure themselves. So I've got my tape measure here because we need it wide enough to go over. This is the noseband, and this is the bit that goes across the top of the horse. Now this is a full-size bridle, which means that this is as big as you can get. So when I put the noseband on, I'm going to have to put it over this bit, and then I'm going to have to pull that over there, and then I'm going to have to slide that down. Now the only ones you can buy at the minute seem to be ones with Velcro on. Now I can't imagine anything more stupid than putting Velcro near a horse's nose, because it's going to rub more, and that noise is going to upset anyone. So I need it to be at least 6 inches so that I can get it on and off, because otherwise I won't be able to get it over there. Alright, so that's that. I can put that away. I've got my fur here. Oh yes, so it's a full-size bridle, but I don't need it to be the full length of the horse's nose, do I? I just need it to be in its eye line, so it makes it focus on what it's doing. So I suppose a pony-size bridle would be across the nose, maybe 6 inches. That's like the smallest bridle that you're going to get, and that one maybe is 8 inches across the nose. So I'm going to cut the difference, and I'm going to go 7 inches. That way I know that a full-size horse is going to be, you know, it's going to catch its eye line. So what I need to do is literally cut out a rectangle of 6 inches plus hem and 8 inches long. So that's 8 inches. I'll probably do 7 inches actually for the hem allowance. I've just got one, because what I don't want is for them to be any stiff bits, so I don't want it to be rubby. And there we go, I can just do that there, and it's a simple matter of cutting it out and then just running one simple line of stitches on. Alright, now this is fake fabric fur. It's described as poodle. It used to be described as fake lamb fur, but I suppose people just got confused that it wasn't made out of real lamb's wool, so they started calling it poodle fur, because nobody would assume that it was made of poodles. But the world's a funny thing. But all I want is something fluffy. I know the ones that you can buy with Velcro that I've pooed, they come in all colours now. All colours. So all I'm going to do is literally run a line of stitches. There we go. Very, very simple. I'm going to tidy up these loose threads because they could be annoying to a horse. They're very sensitive. and then I am going to turn it inside out and see if I can get it on there. See if I've made it big enough. Lovely. So I've got my noseband strap and I've got my over the head strap. And I really should have brought a head collar home, but I didn't, and they're all muddy at the minute, so it wouldn't be good. And then all I do is literally slide it on, and there we go. We have a noseband that's small enough to go on a pony, yet big enough to catch the eye line of the horse, because his eyes would be about there facing outwards. Alright, well thank you for your time. I hope this helps. And yes, you have saved somebody a lot of trouble if you do this for them.